Hey there, holiday artist, here you have another installment from Holiday Display Dish.
Globe lights are named after the shape. These are G50. The number after the letter G refers to the millimeters in diameter of the bulb. These are C9 lights, and these are C6 lights with mini lights rounding it off. Mini lights are useful if you want a subtle effect of lights without the lights being obvious themselves, whereas C6 lights are helpful for smaller versions of what you use C9 lights on. An example is a baby barn for C6 lights, like C9 lights are used on a house. For those wanting to break with tradition, globe lights can be subbed in instead of C lights. The C in C lights stands for conical, which is their shape. Now you can see what each type looks like lit up at night in a pure white form. While the traditionalist in me prefers C9 lights, mini lights are the most versatile, coming in icicle form, net lights, candy canes, etc.
We'll see you next time. Holiday artist.
That's all for this installment. We look forward to